from fashion, this post that you're watching right now scheduled itself. I used to sit down twice a day, pick the video, write the caption, set the time, pick the platform, repeat for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, the whole day, just moving content around. So I rebuilt it. And now I drop the videos in a folder and a whole week gets captioned and cured. I just approve. So if we haven't met, I'm Inga. I run an AI-augmented fashion brand and teach founders to do the same. This is my real journey, automating it. So follow along so you can take what works right now. So basically what happened, I saved 2 days a week back. It's huge. Like if you calculate all the days that you spend to make content on your daily rate, it depends what you want to pay yourself every single month, and then you just divide by number of days, you will get your daily rate. Just multiply this number and you will see how much money can you make or save to yourself if you stop doing your repetitive tasks that you do every single week. So the idea here is that when we talk about automation inside your fashion brand, it's not some technical stuff that only technical companies implement or big, huge companies because they have all those processes to automate. It's you who need to think today, what would be your brand automation look like without you being involved in those operations? You basically can win your time back for every single repetitive task you do every single day because you think there is no one can do it beyond you. But listen to me carefully. Right now you have a very small window to jump in and start creating your own AI employees that you teach how to operate, how to think like you, and how to copy your work so you don't do this work anymore and you can free yourself, you can free your mind and start doing what really matters for your brand development, which is maybe creating collaborations, partnerships, looking for investors, while your operations are completely took over by your AI employees that you teach yourself how to work inside your company. Isn't that miracle? No, it is not. You can do it yourself. So if you're interested, I have a free training that I've just created where I show all my automations and how I implement them, and I document my journey as I go, because I think what is important today for us fashion founders is to understand how AI works, because if you don't understand, you miss the train. And if you don't use it beyond creating content or captions for your Instagram account, you already missed the whole era. So don't miss the train, okay? Jump in right now, start learning how you can replace yourself and build your automations, your operations inside your brand today. Come and build, and I will send you what you should do exactly.